Hi guys, with our new breakdown video. Since the working principles of all brand and model devices are the same, the solutions are very easy. I am waiting for your questions about all brands from the comments. The horizontal lines on the paper after scanning are caused by the drum. That is, they go away when you change the toner, but the long vertical line is caused by the scanner. Let's solve this problem. Our channel is a repair channel. If you write the problem of your faulty electronic devices in the comments, I can show you the most affordable solution as soon as possible. If you follow my steps on the video step by step, your fault will be solved easily and at the lowest cost. I will share with you a problem that we will encounter in all our brand and model devices and its solution. Since the working principle of all brand and model devices is the same, our expert staff is waiting to answer any questions you may have regarding installation and repair. We can simply clear the fault by cleaning this area well. We should clean the area where the line is formed more carefully, so that we can completely solve the problem. We will see the first stage solution of the problem of not displaying the screen, which often occurs on many of our devices. If this process is not successful, if you write in the comments, I will send you the second stage solution video link. You should also see the positive comments in our other videos. In all of our repair processes, we repaired our device very easily and cost-free, and you can fix your faults by following the steps I have done. If this is not the solution, I am waiting for your brand and model information in the comments for my other step suggestions. Our expert team will answer your questions in a few minutes. Now we can plug our device into the socket, power it on and try our device. We have put our clean papers in our tray so that you can see how we print out once again. Now the test printing process is starting. We will see it together again, friends. As you can see, the repair and maintenance of our printer was successful. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share our video with your friends that you want to benefit from. If you write your questions and opinions in the comments, your other brand model printer computer scanner problems, I will reply as soon as possible for the solution. Thanks.